Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to take you through my daily shower routine. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get started. Before I hop into the shower, I like to set the mood by lighting a candle and turning on some relaxing music. It helps me unwind and enjoy my shower time. Choosing the right products for your skin type is essential. I like to use those products which suits for my skin and hair. So in the last night, I oiling my hair by using jasmine hair oil. It makes my hair shiny and easily absorb on my scalp. For shampoo, I am using this L'Oreal Professional Extension Care shampoo. I always make sure to wet my hair thoroughly before applying shampoo. This helps the shampoo to lather properly and ensure that my hair is clean and gives shine. After this, I start cleansing my face with this face wash, which is Acne Lock Pimple Care Face Wash. It cleans my face and remove any dirt or oil from the skin. It also helps to even tone the acne spots and calms and smooths irritated skin. Then move to the body. I use my favorite body wash to cleanse my skin. Today I am using Fiamma shower gel. I use a loofah to exfoliate my skin and get rid of any dead skin cells. Now coming to exfoliation, twice a week I use gentle exfoliating scrub by using coffee to get rid of dead. This is not only makes my skin feel soft and smooth but also helps to prevent ingrown hairs. Now coming to shaving, if I need to shave, I do it after exfoliating. I use a sharp razor and shaving cream to avoid any nicks or cuts. After patting myself dry with a towel, I apply a moisturizer all over my body. I will be using this moisturizer from Trusty Skin Hydration Moisturizing Lotion. This is very lightweight and helps to keep my skin hydrated and soft. After I am done with the shower, I wrap up my hair in a towel to absorb excess water. Then I apply a hair mask from L'Oreal Professional to help my hair moisturized and frizz-free. After some time, I apply a hair serum from the brand Strix. This makes my hair shiner. And lastly, I spray my favorite perfume to smell good all day long. And yeah, that's it guys. That's